Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to actually display images in a gallery like carousel like structure inside React.js, and for this we have a special package which is available. I'm showing you a live demo of this package. So if you, let's suppose if you have a series of images that you want to display inside your React.js application, you can display this like this in a gallery like structure, and when the user navigates, and they can clearly see all the images, and the images will appear in this gallery like structure with these custom little controls, and you can see that. So nice little transition animation will also take place as they click on the individual image. You will see the image will display like this, and when they go to the next image, this transition animations will take place. So it's a carousel or gallery like structure. So if you have a series of images that you want to display inside your application, this React.js package is very much helpful. And now I will show you the name of the package, which is this React Photo View. This is an React Photo Preview component, and it is almost having 24,000 weekly downloads. This is actually the command here. I have already installed this package, so I will just show you a very basic example. So what I will do, just make a simple functional component and just import this package, and this package contains these two functions, photo provider and photo view. So you can see we are importing it from React Photo View, and it also need to offer the CSS file as well. We do need to import the CSS file. So in the same package React Photo View, we need to import the CSS file. So dist react photo view dot css. So we are importing the CSS file. If you see, we are importing the CSS file as well. And now we need some photographs that we are importing it from internet. If you see, we are importing it from Unsplash API. So we just pasted these four images that we will be displaying it in the gallery like structure. So we have just declared an array here of photos. It contains these four photographs. So now in order to display this, it's very simple. Now we come to the JSX, and we actually display inside the div like structure. I will just give it a display property of flex, and flex wrap will be around wrap, and I will just have a gap of 10 pixel in between each image. So now we'll have this component which is photo provider, and inside this component we will be wrapping everything that we want to display. So these are my photographs. I will just loop through. You can see we are looping through this variable. So we are using the map function. So we'll simply use the map function for each photograph. We will loop through and display the content in this custom component photo view, which we are importing, if you see, from this package. So now this package we need to pass some properties. First is the key parameter that we need to pass, which is the index variable. Second one is the source, which is the address of the photograph, and inside this we need to actually render out the source of the image, so which is photo. Secondly, if you also need to pass, let's suppose, some custom styles. If you just refresh the application and just look, it will look something like this. You can see now the images. If you click on individual images, it will display like this. If you also want to add some transition animations as well, when we click on the individual image, it should have some slight little animation as well. So we can even provide some custom styles to this image. I will just make this width, just make sure that it appears like a gallery. So I will just make the width of each image as 150 pixel, and cursor will be changed to pointer, and a third style will be a border radius of, I think I will give it 8 pixel. So these are the styles I'm given, and it will look something like this. If you see, it will appear side by side. Each image will have this much width and border radius has also been applied. So whenever you click on the individual image, it will appear something like this in a carousel structure. So now if you want to apply some animations to it, you can go to this tag photo provider, and right here you can add some speed here. Let's suppose if you want to add some speeding animation, so 800 millisecond, we have added this speed animation. So if you now click on the image, it will have this slight little animation that you see. And you can change the type of animation by the property of easing, and then you can specifically provide which type of animation that you want to apply. So we have various animation types. You can check the documentation as well of this plugin. So we are applying these animations, cubic, bezier. So if you refresh now and click it, you will see that it will have this nice little animation. Apart from that, it also have various other components as well. You can check their GitHub repo as well, and it has got a nice little documentation. You will see it has shown it's a photo preview component, and it can even be operated in mobile as well. You can simply drag in and then it can even do it. It's a great photo previewer component for specifically made for React.js applications. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.